everyone, and welcome back to Simply English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mia.
Hello, Mia, and a big hello to all our listeners. I am so happy to be here today.
Me too, Alex. Today we have a very exciting topic. Do you know what it is?
I think it is about days.
That's right. Today we are going to learn about the days of the week, from Monday to Sunday. We will say them, practice them, and use them in sentences.
Oh, I like that. Sometimes I forget the order of the days.
Don't worry, Alex. By the end of today, you will know all the days perfectly. Let's start slowly and clearly. First, say Monday.
Monday,
Good. Monday is the first day of the week. Repeat with me. Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
and Sunday.
Sunday.
Excellent. Now, let's say all the days in order together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Perfect. You did a great job. Now, let's talk a little more about each day. Monday is the first day of the week. Some people say it is difficult. Why, Alex?
Maybe because it comes after the weekend?
Exactly. Monday is a fresh start. Some people feel sleepy or tired, but it can also be exciting. You can make new plans for the week.
I like Monday because I can start new things and set goals.
That's a very positive way to see it. Monday can be a happy day too. Let's make some sentences together. Repeat after me. On Monday, I go to school.
On Monday, I go to school.
Very good. Another one. On Monday, I eat breakfast with my family.
On Monday, I eat breakfast with my family.
Perfect. You see, we can use Monday in many sentences. Now, Tuesday, repeat. Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday is the second day of the week. Some people say it is better than Monday. It is a normal, busy day.
I like Tuesday because I have music class. Music makes me happy.
That's wonderful. Let's say it in a sentence. On Tuesday, I have music class.
On Tuesday, I have music class.
Excellent. And you can also say, on Tuesday, I play football with my friends.
On Tuesday, I play football with my friends.
Next is Wednesday. Repeat Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Very good. Wednesday is the middle of the week. People often call it hump day. Do you know why?
maybe because it isn't the middle?
Exactly. Imagine the week is a hill. Monday and Tuesday are going up, Wednesday is the top, and Thursday and Friday go down to the weekend.
Oh, that makes sense. Wednesday is like the top of the hill.
Yes, and you can say, on Wednesday, I study English.
On Wednesday, I study English.
Now, Thursday, repeat Thursday.
Thursday,
Thursday is close to the weekend. Many people feel happy because Friday is tomorrow.
I like Thursday. I can plan something fun for Friday.
That's great. Let's make a sentence. On Thursday, I visit my grandparents.
On Thursday, I visit my grandparents.
Now, Friday, repeat Friday.
Friday,
Friday's very popular. Why?
because the weekend is coming.
Exactly. On Friday, people finish work or school and feel happy. Let's say a sentence. On Friday, I watch a movie with my family.
On Friday, I watch a movie with my family.
Perfect, Alex. Now, Saturday. Repeat Saturday.
Saturday,
Saturday is the first day of the weekend. Many people sleep more, play, or go outside.
ooh, I love Saturday. I play football, read books, and visit friends.
Wonderful. Sentence practice. On Saturday, I go to the park with my friends.
On Saturday, I go to the park with my friends.
And now Sunday. Repeat, Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday is the last day of the week. It is a calm day. People rest, spend time with family, or prepare for Monday.
On Sunday, I eat breakfast slowly and read a book.
Excellent. Sentence. On Sunday, I relax and spend time with my family.
On Sunday, I relax and spend time with my family.
Now let's review all days together. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Excellent. Great. Now let's play a little game. I will say a day, and you tell me a fun thing you do on that day. Ready?
Yes, Mia.
Monday,
I make a plan for the week.
Tuesday,
I play music.
Wednesday,
I study English.
Thursday,
I visit my friends.
Friday,
I watch a movie.
Saturday,
I go to the park.
Sunday.
I relax with my family.
Perfect. That is a full week of activities. Let's make some sentences with I like for each day. Repeat after me. I like Mondays because I can start something new.
I like Mondays because I can start something new.
I like Tuesdays because I play music.
I like Tuesdays because I play music.
I like Wednesdays because I learn English.
I like Wednesdays because I learn English.
I like Thursdays because I visit friends.
I like Thursdays because I visit friends.
I like Fridays because I watch movies.
I like Fridays because I watch movies.
I like Saturdays because I play outside.
I like Saturdays because I play outside.
I like Sundays because I relax with my family.
I like Sundays because I relax with my family.
Great! Now everyone listening, try to make your own sentences for each day. Say them out loud. This helps you remember the words better.
Yes, repeating and speaking is very important.
Exactly, Alex. That is all for today's podcast. Thank you so much for joining us on Simply English channel.
Thank you, Mia, and thank you to everyone listening.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video with your friends. Leave a comment below. Tell us your favorite day of the week and why.
Yes, keep practicing English every day and have fun learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.